Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the binary search tree insertion and deletion. So this is part 4, other 3 videos I will give it in the description, you can see it there. So now if you see, first let insert the values or the elements given inside the binary search tree, later let's delete. Now how to insert the values? As the name only tells, it is binary search tree. Binary means if I consider this as a node, this node can have maximum of 2 child. Maximum of 2 child. That is, it can have 0 child, it can have 1 child, and it can have maximum of 2 child. Now, how to insert the values means, for example, if you see here I am having 25. So, if I write 25 here, in the left side, that is in the left subtree of this 25, there must be values which are less than 25. In the right subtree of 25, there must be values greater than 25. That is greater values at the right side and lesser values at the left side. So now let's fill the values. First one is 25. So this will become the root node. Next is 10. 10 is less than 25. So we must take to the left side. Next is 12. 12 is less than 25. While comparing, first you must start the comparison from the root node itself. Now I want to insert 12 now. So I will be starting the comparison with the root node, that is 25. 12 is less than 25, so left side. But 12 is greater than 10, so right side. Next 15. 15 is less than 25, so left side. But it is greater than 10, so right side. And it is greater than 12, so right side. Next 39. 39 is greater than 25, so right side. 64. 64 is greater than 25 and it is also greater than 39. So right side. Next 53. Greater than 25. It is also greater than 39 but it is less than 64. 53 is less than 64. So left side. So now we have inserted the given elements into the binary search tree. So let's start deleting the values. So we will be having 3 scenarios because a node can have maximum of 0 child, 1 child and 2 child. So if we want to delete, we can delete the node which is having 0 child, the node which is having 1 child, the node which is having 2 child. So we will be taking the 3 scenarios also. First one is when you want to delete a node with 0 child. For example, if you see here, 15 is not having any further child. So 15 is having 0 child. 53 is also not having any child or any nodes being passed through it. So you can consider 53 is also a leaf node or the node with 0 child. Now if I want to delete the nodes which are having 0 child, I will be directly deleting them. So directly delete the nodes which are having 0 child. So 15 if I want to delete, I will delete directly. And if I want to delete 53, I will delete it directly because they are having 0 child. Now, if I want to delete the node which is having 1 child. So, the node which is having 1 child if I want to delete. How will I delete means? For example, 12 is having 1 child, that is right child. 10 is also having 1 child. So, this is the grandchild, it will be not be considered, only the child will be considered. 10 is also having 1 child, 12 is also having 1 child. In this scenario, how to solve? First, let's solve for 12. If I want to remove 12, how to remove? Because 12 is having 1 child. Now, if I want to delete a node which is having only 1 child, I will swap that node with its child. Swap with the child. I want to delete 12. 12's child is 15. So, I will swap 12 with 15. 15 will come to 12's place and 12 will come to 15's place. Now 12 had become the node with 0 child. 12 had become the node with 0 child. So you can directly delete 12. So you can directly delete. Now if I want to delete 10. Now if I want to delete 10, 10 is having 1 child. So how to do it? Swap it with the child. So 10 and 12 will be swapped. 12 will come here, 10 will be here. I wanted to delete 10 but I can't delete because 10 is having the child now. So I will be swapping with it. So I will be swapping 15 and 10 now. 15 will be here and 10 will be here. Now 10 had become the node with 0 child. So I can directly delete it. So what you must do is, any number of child it may be having, you just convert it to 0 child and you can easily delete it. Now the third scenario is, if I want to delete a node which is having 2 child. So you can delete the node which is having 2 child using two processes. One is using in order successor. And the second one is using the in order predecessor. So now if you see what is successor and predecessor. Here 25 is the node which is having 2 child. If I want to delete 25 means I am having 2 child. So I can use the in order successor or in order predecessor. How means in order successor. So this is the right subtree of the 25. This is the left subtree. Right subtree, left subtree. In the successor means front side, that is right subtree. Predecessor means left side, that is the left subtree. Now in order successor, S means small. So you will search for the smaller element or the number in the right subtree. So where is the smaller number? That is 39. 39 is here. So 39 and 25 will be swapped. Now if you see 25 is having one child, that is 64. How to delete the node with single child? You will be converting it to 0 child. How? By swapping. So 25 and 64 will be swapped. Now again 24 is having one child, that is 53. So again you will swap. 53 and 24 is swapped. It is not 24, it is 25. So 25 has become the node with 0 child. So you can directly delete it. Simple. Now if I want to delete the 25 which is having 2 child using the in order predecessor means just opposite. That is, here I used smaller one. In predecessor I will be using the bigger one. That is, in the left subtree I will search the bigger element. That is 15. Now I will swap the element which I want to delete with 15. 15 will go to the root and 25 will be here. 25 if you see it is a 0 child node. So you can directly delete it. You can either use in order successor or you can use in order predecessor to solve the problem regarding the binary search tree. So while inserting, what you will be doing? Lesser value at the left side and the greater values at the right side. While deleting, you will be converting how many number of child, whether it may be 2 child or 1 child. You will try to convert it to 0 child so that you can directly delete that node. So hope you understood the topic, and more videos links are given in description. You can see it there. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. I will clarify it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.